briefing today, we will focus on the outcome of the recent SADC Extraordinary Summit, on the situation in the Democratic Republic of Congo, the meeting between President Zuma and his Mozambican counterpart, the emergency aid provided by South Africa to countries in the Sahel region, and an update on the preparation for the 5th BRICS Summit. Extraordinary SADC Summit. The Extraordinary Summit of the Heads of State and Government of the Southern African Development Community took place in Maputo on the 8th of February 2013. The summit was chaired by His Excellency Armando Guebuza, the President of the Republic of Mozambique and the Chairperson of SADC. The summit considered the political and security situation in the region, in particular the latest development in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The summit commended the Republic of Angola, the Republic of Malawi, the Republic of South Africa, Republic of Namibia, United Republic of Tanzania, the Republic of Zambia and the Kingdom of Lesotho, the Republic of Mauritius and the Republic of Zimbabwe for pledging to contribute to the neutral international force, that is the NIF, and continued collaboration between SADC and the International Conference for the Great Lake Region, ICGLR, on the deployment of the NIF to the Eastern DRC. The summit urged the African Union Commission, SADC and the ICGLR to urgently engage the United Nations on the deployment of the NIF to the Eastern DRC and reiterated its decision to expedite the deployment. Furthermore, the summit welcomed the United States General Assembly's initiative towards bringing peace and stability in the eastern part of the DRC and commended the United Nations Secretary General for the proposed peace, security and cooperation framework for the eastern part of the DRC and the region. Secondly, President Zuma's meeting with President Guebuza. The President of the Republic of South Africa, His Excellency, Mr. Jacob Zuma, hosted His Excellency, Mr. Armando Guebuza, President of the Republic of Mozambique in Pretoria on 12 February 2013. The two leaders met within the context of the enhanced bilateral cooperation between the respective countries. During the meeting, President Guebuza briefed President Zuma about the floods that have devastated parts of Mozambique. Furthermore, President Guebuza expressed the gratitude of South Africa's rescue operation and humanitarian assistance during the floods by availing 2 helicopters and 2 fixed-wing aircrafts. President Zuma expressed South Africa's solidarity with President Guebuza and the people of Mozambique during these challenging times. Furthermore, President Zuma reiterated his confidence that the affected families and the entire people of Mozambique will unify in responding to these floods as they have done previously. On the humanitarian assistance to Mali, we are pleased to announce that the first consignment of humanitarian aid to Mali from the government of South Africa arrived in Bamako on Tuesday, 11 February 2013. The consignment consisted of 1,000 tons of maize, 1,000 tons of sugar, and 42 tons of powdered milk. The remaining aid is due to leave South African ports in the next few weeks. South Africa remains concerned about the security of the invaluable historic manuscript that documents Africa's contribution to scientific evolution and the reported damage caused to Ahmad Baba Institute of Higher Learning and Islamic Research in Timbuktu a few weeks ago. Fourthly, 5th BRICS Summit. In conclusion, we would like to provide some update on our preparation for the 5th BRICS Summit. The summit, which is scheduled for 26-27 March 2013 at the Nkosi Albert Luthuli International Convention Center in Durban, is fast approaching with a number of high-level events taking place as part of the run-up to the summit. Yesterday, Minister Maite Konamashibane hosted her Russian counterpart, Mr. Sergei Lavrov. During the official visit, the two ministers discussed, among other things, preparation for the upcoming BRICS Summit and the state visit by President Vladimir Putin, which is scheduled for 28 March 2013. On 18 February 2013, Minister Konamashibane will receive her counterpart, Mr. Yang Jiechi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the People's Republic of China in Cape Town. It is expected that the upcoming BRICS Summit will be high on the agenda of the bilateral consultations. On Friday, 15 February 2013, BRICS deputies, that is at the Director General levels, will meet in Moscow to discuss the draft report of BRICS Joint Working Group on the idea of the new development bank. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen.